Today at Contra Costa Power Sports, we have a 2014 Suzuki GSX-R1000. This bike has around 9,400 miles and is offered for $94.99 here at Contra Costa Power Sports. In addition to the standard features like the Brembo brakes, this one has a nice fender illuminator kit on it, carbon fiber exhaust, has some frame sliders on it. It's been through our service department, got an oil change, a safety check, and she's all dialed in and ready to go. We can provide financing as well as an extended warranty on this bike. Check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, where at any given time we'll have 35 to 40 quality pre-owned bikes just like this one.